All right, everybody, welcome. Today, our featured cocktail is a whiskey sour, so I'm going to show you how it's made. A couple quick facts about the whiskey sour. It was invented in 1792 by Admiral Vince of the British Army as they were sailing, and it was invented because they were getting seasickness and malnutrition and scurvy, so he wanted something that a crew could drink and not be sick. So he came up with whiskey sour, but he did it differently. He used gin and brandy instead with lemon. And the Americans like whiskey better, so they used rye and bourbon. So hence, it's called a whiskey sour. So basically what's in it, we're going to do it the American way. We start with a shaker with ice. And then we're going to get an egg and use some egg whites. Crack your egg. We want to go back and forth, so we just get the whites in there. Beautiful, just like that. Get in there. And then we're going to use a Canadian rye. This is out of Collingwood, Ontario. 7-year-old.
Oh, Dad. My dad lives there.
Oh, nice. We're going to use 2 ounces for rye. Then we're going to use some lemon juice. It's really nice to get a squeeze like one of these at home. Maybe got one? Nice. We put her in. I'm gonna squeeze it. We do about 3 or 4 of those. Just kind of do it quickly. And we do I just count 1, 2, 3. Then next thing we have is simple syrup. I like it really sweet. You can use a 1/2 ounce, but I like to make it really sweet because I think when the lemon and the sweetness come together, it gives a better flavor. And the most important thing is shaking it too. You really want a nice fuzz when you do it. And we're gonna use this glass. We're gonna strain it. So you have that nice kind of foam, I should say. Just like that. Add a little ice. And then you finish it off with a beautiful twist. And that is a whiskey sour.
Perfect. Well done. Thank you very
Somebody
much.
can try it if you like.
Cheers.
No problem.